Let's learn how to print these pyramid patterns using Python. This is combining pyramid pattern, both normal and inverted pyramid pattern. So this would be such a pain using other programming languages. It will be quite easy with Python. So here, see how many stars are here? 5. So that these stars are getting increased from 1 to 5 here. Then, uh, then from 5 to 1 they are. So for that, it would be great if we have a generator or iterator that would produce these numbers. So that let's combine for I in list of a range of 1 to 6, so that it will produce from 1 to 5, and then combine list reverse range of 1 to 5, because we are getting 5 here already, so that I don't want 5 again, so that it will be 1 to 4, but this is reversed. Then now print use the formatting is want to justify center, use some padding 35, then format this string, multiply I with star. Yeah, sorry, close. There you go. Combining both the inverted and normal pyramid with the center justify. Let's see. Let's see how to print this pattern. This would be the same, but would be same, but is not left just center justified. Here you go.